Hi, so in this video, I'm going to teach you how to come up with LinkedIn topics that you can publish, you can write on, or you create content on and publish on your LinkedIn. Okay. Now, if you've been following my video, you will know that this is the third step in your LinkedIn journey, posting. So we have worked on your foundation to have a clear understanding of your goal on LinkedIn. You've created your profile. Now the next step is to create content, to publish content. If you have not seen my videos on how on your LinkedIn foundation and creating your profile, please check the description below for the links to those videos. So in this video, I'm going to teach you two things: how to create a LinkedIn, how to come up with LinkedIn topics, and how to create a LinkedIn calendar. It's going to be very simple, no complex tools, just your Google Docs and the internet. Okay, now let's go. In addition to having a very good LinkedIn profile, one thing you have to always do consistently is post content. This is how you get to share your ideas and get people to understand what you are good at, what you know, as either you're looking for a job or as a freelancer, what you know. This is how you share your expertise on LinkedIn, and this is how you attract the right people to you. Just creating your profile and leaving it there doesn't do anything. You have to post content. Okay, now let's move straight to how to do this. Now this is the foundation document. In the foundation document, there's one portion of the question that I ask. At the end, I ask this question: what can you teach on LinkedIn? The purpose of this is to know the topics that you have expertise on that you can teach on LinkedIn. So if you need the link to this template so you can fill it and start setting up your LinkedIn profile, check the link. The template is linked in the description. So when you have this, when you have filled up this part of your foundation, this is what we use to generate topic ideas for your LinkedIn posting. So I'm going to use an example of Samuel. Samuel is somebody that I've been working with to set up his profile and start helping him get started on LinkedIn, creating content and publishing content. Okay, so Samuel is a web developer, right? And Samuel can talk about web development, web design. That's what he has in his foundation document. So this is how we did it for Samuel. Let me walk you through it. So we took Samuel's ideas and we plug it to ChatGPT and asked ChatGPT to send us a list of topics that he can create as a web developer. Okay, so he got those topics and he populated it into a Google document like this. Okay, so ChatGPT gave explanation tips on what he can talk under each topic. So you can talk about website development, about website strategy, marketing. You can talk about all of these things. Then the subtopics are inside. So ChatGPT gave all of those ideas. Okay. Now, once you use this, ChatGPT will solve one of the problem for you, giving you ideas of what to say. Now, there are three other top content ideas that I want you to add to that list. I call it bonus idea, but it's beyond bonus. It is what makes the difference. Now, there are three things. They are roasting, putting yourself in the position of your target customer or target employer, and talking about a problem that you fixed. So if someone is a website developer, so this is what we did. One of his content ideas, in addition to the list that ChatGPT gave to him, is that you start creating content roasting other people's website. So what this does is positions him as an expert. So when you can criticize something, it means you understand it. So that will position somewhere as an expert in website design. Another thing is what I would have done if I was a developer or designer of a website. So he will look for a business or look for a scenario and explain what you would have done if he was in that scenario. So let's say you are a social media marketer. You can say what I would have done if I was the social media manager of XYZ business, or XYZ kind of business. That's the second type of content. Then the last one is a case study. So you're going to talk about something you have done. It's easy to explain how somebody should do something, but have you done it before? So if you have done it before and you share that content idea, it positions you as an experienced professional and not just someone that is saying it and I've not done it. Okay, so these are the three content um, categories that you should add to whatever like ChatGPT gives to you. So now Samuel has all of these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it has 6, 7, 8 to add to it. So these are the contents it's going to be. These are the topics and the themes you're going to be creating like content on. And there are three kind of content types you can create on LinkedIn: videos, carousels, and tests. Those are the content that are making the waves and that are working on LinkedIn. Test content, this is an example. Video content, this is an example. And carousel, this is an example. Okay, now we have gotten that out of the way. How often should you post in a week, in a month, in a day? By yourself, come to a conclusion about your posting frequency. But don't do more than once a day. Once you post more than once a day, the LinkedIn will start truncating your content reach. But don't do less than once per week. Once it's less than once per week, you're no longer relevant. People easily forget you. Okay, so one per day maximum, one per week minimum. Then when you've come up with that plan, someone came up with posting 3 times in a week. So Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So you list out the frequency of your posting. So if it's once per week, you list week 1, week 2, week 3. There is once per day, you list Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. We are posting on Sunday. There is maybe 3 times in a week, you list those days. Then you place in the content you're going to be posting on that day. So this is what someone did. On Monday, he'll post one of these bonus ideas. Okay. On Wednesday, he was going to post on website development. And on Friday, he's going to post on website strategy. Then the following Monday, he'll post on marketing and lead generation, which is one of his content ideas here. The next one is going to post on challenges and solutions for SMEs. Then the next day, he's going to post on tools. So you see, he created a calendar that spread all his content ideas and themes across the days or weeks or the frequency of that you'll be posting. So this is how you come up with a LinkedIn posting calendar. It is very simple. ChatGPT makes it faster. My bonus ideas enables you to build authority and expertise online. And this calendar helps to create a flow that you can use to consistently post content. I hope this helps you. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments.